Introduction of Auto Pallet Changer SP Series for Fanuc Robodrill. APC overwhelmingly boosts performance of a Robodrill. 3 special points of a pallet change SP Series. Our APC is easily attachable to the Robodrill without compromising its functionalities. Hit the quick activation code M65 to change pallets. It is as simple as that. It improves productive efficiency with quick and smooth pallet changing. There are 2 modes for pallet changing. The first is a smooth automatic changeover mode, alternating between 2 pallets. The second is a mode where 1 pallet is used continuously on one side. An operator can get access to the work either from the APC's door or from the Robodrill. You can mount different types of parts, units, on the jigs on each pallet. That allows you to deal with a variety of demands from your customers. You can mount 2 independent works on 2 different pallets for back-to-back processing. One APC can handle a series of works, and we suggest you make provision of pallets to be able to change jigs on each pallet. That enables you to save your working time. For example, it is a production of 60 pieces per hour without a pallet changer. It makes processing various parts and multiple processes possible, and shortens machine downtime substantially with 1 Robodrill equipped with the pallet changer. The production rate hour will be increased by 1.4 times, 84 pieces per hour. An operator's workload could be heavier, and the productive efficiency will not be improved without pallet changers. You can reduce machine downtime significantly with your APC. You can improve productive efficiency with multiple units of the pallet changer. You can make the most of Robodrill's functionalities with APCs. Three measures: airflow, coolant wash, seat confirmation switch, against the pallet seating part prevent the possibility of production interruption to the limit. Our APC's open top structure enables you to unload or change jigs with an OTC overhead traveling crane very easily. In addition, we have a variety of options to meet customer needs and requests.